Good afternoon, sir. Welcome aboard. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Good afternoon. Yes, of course. Here it is. My seat is 24A. I believe that is a window seat, correct?
Let me check for you. Yes, 24A is a window seat. Your seat is just down this aisle on the left-hand side.
Thank you very much. Excuse me, before I go, do you think my carry-on bag will fit in the overhead compartment? It feels a little bit big.
Let me take a look. Yes, that should fit with no problem. The compartments on this aircraft are quite spacious. If you have any trouble, just let me know, and I will be happy to assist you.
I found the seat, thank you. And the bag fits perfectly, just as you said. I appreciate your help.
You are very welcome. Please make yourself comfortable. We will be closing the doors for departure in about 10 minutes. Can I get you anything before we take off?
No, I am fine for now, thank you. I just have one quick question, if you do not mind. I am a slightly nervous flyer. Did the captain say anything about the weather for our flight to New York? Are we expecting much turbulence?
That is a very common question, so please do not hesitate to ask. I checked the flight plan just before boarding. The captain is expecting a very smooth flight for us today. There might be a few small bumps over the Atlantic, but that is completely normal. We will let you know before it happens.
That is very reassuring to hear. A smooth flight is good news. Thank you for letting me know. That helps me to relax a little bit.
Of course, we want all our passengers to feel safe and comfortable. We will be starting our beverage service shortly after we reach our cruising altitude.
That sounds good. I am looking forward to that. Thank you again.
Hello again, sir. We are now offering our complimentary beverage service. What would you like to drink? We have a selection of juices, soft drinks, water, coffee, and tea.
That is great. Thank you. What kind of juices do you have available today?
We have orange juice, apple juice, and tomato juice.
I think I will have a tomato juice, please, with a little bit of ice if that is possible.
Certainly, 1 tomato juice with ice, coming right up. Here you are. Would you like anything else? Some pretzels, perhaps?
Yes, please. A small bag of pretzels would be lovely. Thank you very much. This is a very welcome service.
Later, hello, sir. We are now beginning our meal service. Today, you have a choice of 2 main courses. We have the chicken with rice and vegetables, or we have a vegetarian pasta with a tomato and basil sauce.
Both of those sound nice. Could you tell me a little more about the pasta dish? What kind of pasta is it?
Of course, it is penne pasta with a light, classic Italian tomato sauce. It is served with some roasting vegetables and topped with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. It is quite popular.
The pasta sounds delicious. I think I will choose that, please.
An excellent choice. Here is your pasta. The meal also comes with a small side salad, a bread roll, and a dessert. I hope you enjoy it. Can I get you anything to drink with your meal?
Yes, please. Could I have a glass of sparkling water with a slice of lemon? Thank you. This looks like a very nice meal for an airplane.
Excuse me. Excuse me, miss. When you have a moment, could you please help me?
Of course, sir. I have a moment right now. How can I help you? Is everything okay with your meal?
Oh, yes. The meal was delicious, thank you. The problem is with my in-flight entertainment system. I am trying to watch a movie, but I cannot get any sound from the headphones.
I am sorry to hear that. Let me take a look for you. Did you make sure the headphone plug is pushed all the way into the socket? Sometimes it can be a little stiff.
Yes, I pushed it in as far as it would go. I even tried unplugging it and plugging it back in a few times. I also checked the volume control on the screen, and it is turned all the way up, but there is still no sound at all.
I see. Thank you for checking all of those things first. Let me try to reset your screen from my control panel. It will just take a moment. Okay, I have rebooted the system for your seat. Could you please try again now?
Okay, let me check. The movie is starting again. I will plug the headphones back in. No, I'm sorry. There is still no sound. It is just silence.
I am very sorry about this. It is possible that the headphones themselves are faulty. It happens sometimes. I will get you a brand new, sealed pair from our supply cart. One moment.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate you trying to fix this for me.
It is my job to make sure you have a pleasant flight. Here is a new pair of headphones for you. Please unwrap them and try them. I will wait here to make sure they work.
Okay, I am plugging them in now. Yes, I have sound. It is working perfectly. Thank you. Thank you so much for your help and your patience.
I am so glad we could solve the problem for you. Now you can enjoy your movie. Please let me know if there is anything else I can do for you during the flight.
Actually, since I have you here for a moment, I was wondering if I could ask you for a small piece of advice. I saw on your name badge that you are based in New York.
Yes, that is right. I live in Brooklyn. It is a wonderful city. Are you traveling to New York for a vacation?
Yes, it is my first time visiting. I am very excited, but also a little overwhelmed by all the things there are to do. You must know the city very well from flying there all the time.
I know it quite well. It is a city with endless possibilities. It can definitely be overwhelming for a first-time visitor. There are so many famous attractions to see.
Exactly. I have a list of all the famous places, like the Empire State Building and the Statue of Liberty. But I was wondering, what is your personal favorite thing to do in the city? Something a tourist might not know about.
That is a great question. I love it when visitors want to see more than just the main tourist spots. My personal recommendation is to walk across the Brooklyn Bridge.
The Brooklyn Bridge. I have heard of that, of course. Why is that your favorite?
Many tourists see the bridge, but not as many walk all the way across it. There is a dedicated pedestrian walkway above the traffic. I recommend starting on the Brooklyn side and walking towards Manhattan. The view of the Manhattan skyline as you walk towards it is absolutely breathtaking. It is one of the best views in the entire city, and it is completely free.
Walking from Brooklyn to Manhattan. That sounds like a wonderful experience. A free activity with a beautiful view is the perfect recommendation.
Thank you so much for that personal tip. I will definitely add that to my plan.
You are very welcome. I hope you have a clear day for it. You are very welcome. I hope you have a clear day for it. Hello again, sir. We will be starting our descent into New York soon. As you are not a U.S. citizen, you will need to complete this customs declaration form before we land.
Oh, thank you. I was wondering when we would receive these. Let me take a look at the form. It looks quite long and has a lot of questions.
It can look a little confusing, but it is not too difficult. You only need to fill out the sections that apply to you. You will need your passport information for the top section.
Okay, I have my passport right here. What about this section that asks for the flight number and the airline?
Our airline is Austrian Airlines, and the flight number is OS87. It is also written on your boarding pass if you need to check. The most important part is to list any food items or large amounts of cash you are bringing into the country.
I am not bringing any food, and I am definitely not bringing more than $10,000 in cash, so I can just check no for those questions? Thank you. That makes it much clearer.
Exactly. If you have any other questions while filling it out, please just press your call button and I will come back to assist you.
Thank you. You have been incredibly helpful throughout this entire flight. I really appreciate it.
Later, sir, could you please fasten your seatbelt? We are beginning our final approach into JFK Airport. I also need to ask you to put your seat in the upright position and fold away your tray table.
Of course. I will do that right now. The seatbelt is fastened. It looks like we are finally here. I can see the lights of the city out of my window. It looks amazing.
It is a beautiful sight, isn't it? On behalf of the entire crew, I would like to thank you for flying with us today. I hope you had a pleasant flight.
I had a very pleasant flight, thank you. And a big reason for that was your excellent service and kindness. You were so helpful with my entertainment system and the landing form. It made a real difference.
It was my absolute pleasure, sir. I am very happy I could help. I wish you a wonderful and memorable vacation in New York. Enjoy every minute of it.